All right, if you got one of these, you're gonna want one of these. What we got here is a genuine lawnmower blade sharpener. That's right, a lawnmower blade sharpener. Now, if you are in the lawn mowing business, you probably know, and you probably use one, you probably own one. But what if you're just a residential lawnmower and you only mow your lawn once a week? If you want to not have multiple passes because your lawn grows like crazy, like ours does, then a lawnmower blade routine maintenance is going to be a must. And instead of shipping off your lawnmower, then having it come back months later because they're so backed up, just do it and get yourself one of these and do it yourself. It's really simple. Let me go over everything you get in the kit. It comes installed, your grinding disc right here. You get a couple extra grinding discs for when these flatten out, you just peel and stick right in there. Comes with a screwdriver in case you want to change your angles, your degrees. It's going to start you out with a 40-degree angle and you have a 30-degree angle right here. So I'm just going to leave what's on here for my purposes. We're just going to leave 40 on here. And then you have this guy right here. What is this, you might ask? If you're not familiar, this is called a balancing blade. And it comes with a bunch of different universal attachments because you don't know what your blade's going to receive. This one is for this blade. You can see it sticks right in there just like that. And then you put it on top of the balancing blade, and this is where the magic happens. If you have a blade that is good, that's completely balanced, you let it sit there for a second and you say, okay, it's balanced, or you're good to go. Now, obviously this guy is not balanced at all. You can see it's leaning, it's pretty heavy that way, it's pretty heavy this way. So we're gonna shave off a little bit of this and then come back to hopefully be able to balance that out a little bit better. So to do that, you just take this end, which is the cutting end right here, and we're gonna be grinding it right in on this. So the wheel's gonna spin, we're gonna grind it like that. Ain't nothing but to do it, so let's get to it. All right, now we're gonna come back to the balancing blade and we're gonna see how that goes, how that works here. Just let it kind of balance like that. All right, you see that? The pendulum is slowly starting to stop. We are getting a really nice, good balance just like that. We got that blade down. We're good to go. So this one is done. It's ready to reinstall. This blade is way sharpened. Look at that right there. You can see we got a lot more sharpened blade. That's gonna cut the grass super efficient. So if you're mulching your lawn or you're bagging it, well, it's gonna cut it a lot more precise now. So if you have a lot of lawn to mow like I do, then sharpening your blades every so often is a good investment. Having your own tool to do it just saves you time and money by sending it out and waiting for it to come back.